Representatives from several Valley school districts now reacting to updated guidance released by the CDC last week. The agency recommending middle and high school students stay at least 6 feet apart, but elementary students need just half that space. Channel 5's Monica de Anda joins us live with what some school districts plan to do.
Good evening. Today I spoke to representatives from Edinburgh CISD and Donna ISD. Both school officials saying that for now, they're sticking to 6 feet of social distancing inside of classrooms. On Friday, the CDC updated physical distancing recommendations for K-12 schools, giving school officials the green light to scale back social distancing between students and classrooms from 6 feet to 3 feet. The recommendation of physical barriers also no longer necessary.
The CDC just recommended to go to 3 feet at the schools. And so we're not going to be following that until we get more students in.
Dr. Anthony Garza, the COVID-19 director at Edinburgh CISD, says for now, they're not changing anything, due largely in part to the low number of students opting for in-person instruction. Right now, only about 20% of students are walking the halls every day, but those numbers are increasing.
There are a few campuses that are starting to get a little larger in enrollment, in in-person enrollment. And for those, we are going to go in there and we might have to lower them from 6 feet maybe down to the 3 feet.
According to CDC's COVID-19 data tracker, less than 10% of COVID cases in the U.S. have been among children and adolescents between 5 and 17 years old. And in-person learning in schools has not been associated with substantial community transmission. Donna ISD Superintendent Dr. Hafeda Zaiz says they plan to stick to 6 feet as well.
We are going to stay as is because, again, our plan has been been working. We have the face mask, the face shield, we have the desk shield.
Similar to Edinburgh CISD, Azaiz says Donna ISD also has about 20% of students attending school in person, but numbers at his district are also going up. And Azaiz knows they won't be able to maintain the 6-foot distance forever.
If we had, let's say, 80 or 100% of our students back, we won't be able to accommodate the 6 feet. It's impossible because our classrooms are not, I guess, built, right, to have like only 12 or 14 students.
Both school officials say vaccine rollout, local COVID-19 case counts, hospitalization rates, and guidance from health officials and the TEA will all help them navigate what's left of this school year and prepare for the next one. And both school officials also adding that vaccines are playing a huge role in increased in-person attendance in schools, saying that parents, students, and staff all feel much safer. Reporting in Edinburgh, Monica de Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.